Listen to me carefully. जो तुमने किया है वो गलत है.
मैंने इतना कुछ किया आपके लिए. और
तुम होते कौन हो मेरे लिए कुछ भी करने वाले?
आपका फैन.
तुम नहीं हो मेरा फैन.
Why does he sound like that?
His voice is so similar to Surinder Sahni.
Oh, the whole room's like decorated like crazy. He's like
crazy makeup.
I like the background score. Yeah.
birthday celebrations.
This is iconic moment. And here it is.
This is such an awesome shot. See, this is CG, I'm sure.
Oh my god. He's like gone crazy.
Look at his face, dude.
So
He's
cute.
changed.
How did he get the money to go here?
It has a very thriller feel.
I know.
Dialogue. Star fan के पीछे भागे. क्या dialogue है?
Okay, this is lots of action.
2 minutes.
Was that Corsica?
Is he like his stuntsman or something? Wow.
Hey, is that him? Gaurav is Ari.
Seriously awesome trailer.
Absolutely not.
No.
I thought it was a comedy film.
Sort of like, in a Bas Mastan film where there's like, too many twists. That's what I thought even in Dilwale, but yeah.
Fan itself, it's an ode to his fans, so had to be something out of the box, and it's like mind-blowing.
I expected something dark, but I didn't expect it to be so action-packed and so thrilling. He was back to acting after a long time.
Teaser was some completely different, but now I'm like blown away.
End वैसा लगा कि वो makeup निकाल रहा है and he's someone else. Yeah. So they're trying to do something, but I don't know what will happen at the end. But the trailer is interesting.
I didn't think that it would be so brutal and bloody and stuff like that. So serious. I never thought it would be so serious.
He looks like a CGI parrot. No offense, but like that Gaurav guy, like you can tell that he's all caked up. You can tell that.
More than the face, I think it's the body language that he has acquired for Gaurav. So getting a different body language by the same person is a huge thing, and I think he's done a superb job.
Superb, mind-blowing. Like Shah Rukh as Gaurav is like amazing.
Mind-blowing.
Too good. I think, yeah, he had been acting, but finally he's acting in a content-driven role, I guess.
Overall, it was really good. I mean, I've never seen him like this, but it's really good. It's something different.
He looks like himself, but yet he doesn't look like himself. It's so amazing. What do you say? The work which he has done on his face, the makeup which they have done.
I don't think Salman Khan could have ever come even close to this. He's not an actor. He's a masala hero. Masi.
नहीं. I seriously feel bhai couldn't have done this. Fans को करता, जितने बच्चे कुछ fans हैं, वो भी चले जाते.
Salman is for masala blockbuster movies.
Never ever.
That's what he's for. I don't think he can pull this off.
Salman Khan could have definitely pulled this off. Could have even done a better job than Shah Rukh Khan.
For sure.
He would have done it, but then would he have succeeded?
Obviously, भाई तो इससे better कर सकता है.
Hey, please.
अरे भाई तो इससे better
भाई
कर
को
सकता है.
कुछ नहीं आते.
फैन स्टार के पीछे भागता है, स्टार फैन. बट मतलब वो फैन के पास वीजा कैसा है ये सब दुनिया घूमने का?
Exactly.
इतना पैसा कैसे है?
All the action sequences, when they're running on the roof and he's hanging from
the train and all of that.
They are so damn cool.
The action scenes are shot really well, but that moment when the fan meets the actor, it was like awesome.
The face off.
For me, the rooftop chase.
The chase sequence and also when they were talking to each other and confronting each other, that was like epic.
Yeah, the face-off. Face-to-face, both Shah Rukh Khan and Shah Rukh as Gaurav is like too good, yeah. And you wouldn't make out that they're the same people.
I would just go for the makeup.
First day, first show. Definitely.
I'm gonna watch this movie first day, first show.
Definitely.
I think I'd like to know, and I'd like to see whether it was after putting in so much money, was it worth it or was it not worth it?
Shah Rukh fan after all.
I'm a Salman fan, but yeah.
You stop your Salman thing, yeah.
Bhai will win, yaar. Come on.
भाई को करने दो सुल्तान, मत खींचो फैन में.